Plenty of drama expected here in Bosnia as Group G's top two go head-to-head in an intriguing battle. Any doubts that Bosnia are a force to be reckoned with these days should be dismissed up front. 15 goals they've scored so far in the campaign, only equalled by Germany and bettered by nobody. Bosnia, though, have never beaten Greece in 6 meetings, during which they'd scored only 2 goals. Is it going to be any different here? Ranjis with a great chance on just 6 minutes in a first half which will be utterly dominated by Bosnia. Next up, Zeko bending one in. Salihovic was missing tonight. Pjanic had the remnants of a sore ankle. The Greeks were without Spiropoulos and Papadopoulos, are both out injured. And then the first free kick of the night in an advantageous position here on 29 minutes. Teed up nicely and turned in for goal number 1 for Zeko. 27th international goal. He's had a decent enough season with Manchester City. Rumoured to be the player that is going to be replacing the departing Lewandowski at Borussia Dortmund. And another player based in Bundesliga would bang in a second, and it would come from a penalty kick. Savalas fouls Musja, and then watch the save, great save, but Ibisevic kept his head and it rolled in. He gets the final touch. Ibisimovic, the man that missed it. 16th goal on his 45th cap tonight. On his best season since 2009-10. That move to VfB Stuttgart this season really has awoken his career yet again. Jersey shooting from outside the area. That was the best chance Greece had in the first half. And so then at half-time it was 2-0. That's Bosnia led into the second half, and the 2 became 3 when Zeko on 53 minutes got his second. It's been a good week, celebrated his birthday, and the goals are flowing still. And Bosnia now 18 goals in this qualifying campaign. Well, they've been so dreadfully unlucky. Lost to Portugal in the playoffs for the last 2 major competitions. They're desperate not to have to go through it again. Chance there for Stevanovic. That was 2 minutes before the end of time. A bang on 90 minutes. Player that's been a sterling servant to Greece down the years. Gekas. Always had a habit of being in the right place at the right time. Well, that was literally the last kick of the game here, and this is a big, big win. Enables daylight between these 2 nations now. Last qualifiers in the group to June the 7th. Bosnia go to Latvia. Greece will then go to Lithuania. And smiles all round. A hugely deserved victory for Susic's team here. Fernando Santos really has his work cut out for him now with the Greeks as the team's closing behind.